Hi guys, welcome back in another learning videos from RLD CAT tutorial. This is exercise tutorial number 19. In this exercise tutorial, you can learn this kinds of simple drawing. जैसे कि आप देख पा रहे हैं कि ये जो हमारा सिलेंडर है वो दो फेसों के बीच में हमने कैसे क्रिएट किया हुआ है, आप इस वीडियो में आप ये सीख पाएंगे. This is our top view and this is our front view of my drawings, and this is our side view. Okay, this is isometric view. Okay, this is our model which we have to create. So first go to SolidWorks and control and press control and part and OK. Change your unit. If you have already changed, then OK, otherwise you have to change it in units in millimeter. I am going to selecting front plane because we want to make first this geometry. सबसे पहले आपको ये जो फेस है हमारा, ये फेस हमें बनाना है. इसके लिए हम आप फ्रंट प्लेन पे जाएंगे और फिर चूज सेंटर लाइन, प्रेस ओरिजिन एंड मेक वन सेंटर लाइन, मेक इट इज वर्टिकल and I am choosing mid plane, midpoint line and make one line from center and we have to there is also mentioned then dimensions is 70. So 70, so keep 70 dimensions and OK. Take line and make this kinds of geometry as I, जैसे कि मैं बना रहा हूँ, आप कुछ इस प्रकार का ज्योमेट्री फर्स्ट बना लेंगे. and select this line, this two line, and with shift key press, select this line, press shift key and hold and select this line and make collinear. Take dimensions and there is a mention dimension is 10, so this is 10, this is also 10. From even you can see the side view, the top to bottom is dimension from top to bottom is 40. So select this top to bottom and make it is 40, and this is our second dimensions. This is 20, this is 20. Okay, now our geometry is fully defined and go to feature, press extrude boss base, keep mid plane. Okay, this is important. Even we have to mirror these two features. हमें जो है ये दोनों फीचर्स को क्या करना है, मिरर करना है. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम चूजिंग मिड प्लेन एंड dimensions is how much we have to extrude. There is a mention, we have to extrude 20. So press erase this and make 20 and OK. And I am going to make another feature. This is OK. आप यहाँ पे देख पाएंगे कि ये जो हमारा रेक्टेंगल पार्ट्स है वो एक्सट्रूड हो रखा है इस बॉडी पे. ठीक है, आपको कैसे पता, तो जो आप साइड व्यूज देखेंगे यहाँ पे तो you can see there is a one rectangle shape and how much this is extruded from the surface of this surface, from this surface is 10. So sorry, so select this plane and sketch normal to plane and make one center rectangle from the center of this axis and make it vertical go to dimensions, and this is 10. Okay, all the dimensions, all the sides are 10 mm. Okay, and distance from the center, distance from the bottom line of the rectangle parts of, and our geometry is, from our geometry is 5. There is mention. Okay, 5. So choose these two lines and it is 5. Now our geometry is fully constrained. Go to feature, extrude boss base, and how much we have to extrude? We have to extrude up to 10 mm and use merge result, because this is our one plane, one parts. Okay, and even I am going to make one another features. आप देख पाएंगे कि यहाँ पे जो है हमारा ये सेम पार्ट्स यहाँ भी होना चाहिए, तो that's why I am going to mirror this features from I am going to mirror this feature with the reference of mid plane. So you can check the which plane are the mid plane, which parts, which plane are at the mid plane. आप ये देख चेक कर सकते हैं कि जो हमारा प्लेन है वो कौन सा मिड प्लेन पे आता है। तो ये जो हमारा राइट प्लेन है, दिस इज आवर राइट प्लेन एंड दिस इज अ मिड प्लेन ऑफ दो टू फेसेस. So this faces and this faces, mid plane is this. So go select this plane and go to mirror entities. Now आप यहाँ पे देख पाएंगे कि हमारा जो प्लेन है वो ऑलरेडी सेलेक्टेड है, and we have to choose another options which is feature. So keep select feature, go to arrow, and there is extrude boss base 2. Select extrude boss base 2 and okay. Now you can see our geometry are created our geometry. Now you can see our geometry has been created as our previous feature. Now we have to create one circular parts. This is our circular part, and also there is a dimensions mentioned in diameter. Now that's why I am identified. That's why you can identify this is circle or rectangular parts. Okay, so this is our circle. This is circle, and at the center of this faces. So select this face and normal to plane, normal to plane, make one circle, take a center line from the center points and select mid plane of the midpoint of this line and make it is vertical. Dimension of this circle is 10. So keep 10, and from the center you can see this is our 10. So this is our 10. The diameter of our 10, diameter of the circle is 10 and the radius of the circle is 5. So even you can see this dimension from here to here is 5. So how much we have to make this dimension? This is our 10. Now our geometry is fully constrained. Go to feature, extrude boss face, and in this time I am using up to surface, because we want to extrude up to this surface. So choose up to surface, sorry, up to surface and choose this surface. तो आप देख पाएंगे कि यहाँ पे जो है ये जो ज्योमेट्री है हमारा वो सरफेस पे एक्सट्रूड हो चुका है. नाउ अगेन आई एम गोइंग टू creating this feature. Again I am going to creating this feature. Okay, there is also a rectangle shape and this is circular shape. So और आप ये देख पाएंगे कि ये दोनों साइड क्या है, सेम है. सो इसीलिए सेलेक्ट दिस प्लेन एंड स्केच, नॉर्मल टू प्लेन, मेक वन सर्कल, sorry, make one rectangle. Dimensions of this rectangle is also 10. Sorry, this is a 10, and this, keep this line, and this line, and make collinear. Now dimensions from the their bottom to from the bottom is 5. So our geometry is fully constrained. Go to feature, extrude boss face. How much we have to extrude? We have to extrude up to 10, there is mention, and okay. और जैसे कि आप देख पा रहे हैं कि हमको ऐसा जो ये जो हमारा ज्योमेट्रीज है वो सेम ही हमारा यहाँ पे भी चाहिए और ये अपोजिट साइड में भी होना चाहिए। तो हम चाहते हैं कि ये मिरर हो जाए, सो वी हैव टू यूज मिरर कमांड for mirror this feature, and I am selecting front plane because this is mid plane of this geometry, and go to mirror commands, go to feature, down arrow, and okay. You can see same feature are created in flip side. Again use mirror commands, and now इस बार हम राइट प्लेन सेलेक्ट करते हैं बिकॉज वी वांट दिस टू फीचर्स एट द अपोजिट साइड ऑफ दिस एज देयर इज अ मेंशन, जैसे कि आप ड्राइंग में देख पा रहे हैं। तो हम चलते हैं ये जो मिरर है हमारा उसको, ये जो हमारा मिरर है इसको सिलेक्ट करते हैं और एक्सट्रूड बॉस बेस को और ओके करते हैं। तो आप देख पाएंगे कि ये जो हमारा ज्योमेट्री है वो फ्लिप साइड मिरर हो चुका है, एंड इवन यू कैन सी देयर इज अ one pipe, one rectangular shape which is diameter of this rectangular shape is 5. So go to this surface and sketch, normal to plane, make circle, diameter of the circle is 5, and this is at the center points of this. Now our geometry has been fully constrained, and go to feature, extrude boss base, and keep up to surface, select this surface, and okay. Again I am going to use mirror commands because we want flip side this same geometry. Go to mirror commands, drop down the menu, and use front plane because this is our mid plane, and extrude boss base, and okay. Now you can see our geometry has been fully created. Go to view orientation and isometric view. This is our isometric view. I hope कि आपने बहुत सारा चीज़ें सीखी होंगी आपने कैसे हम मिरर कमांड्स का यूज करते हैं on different kinds of plane, by using different kinds of plane, how you can mirror the objects. Thanks for watching.